What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Overdrive Media. Today we are getting taken over literally by Subarus, and we have one more Subaru coming. You all know this Subaru. Hi, Austin. You all know this Subaru's been around the channel for some time now. That's Will's cartoon paint job, Rocket Bunny Subaru, looking all nice and clean. Of course, we got the wife's Crown Vic. So today, I'm going to be filming a glorious cinematic of all these Subarus. Sorry I'm shivering and if it's a little shaky. It got cold, man. Yeah, we're going to make a nice edit, going to get some rollers, some still shots. It's going to be cold, but this is going to turn out good.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Cheese. Oh, look, Subaru.
Stopping to get some gas. Got all the Subarus fueling up before he has some back roads in this industrial park. Alright, we are out here at the first filming spot. Got the cop car lit up. Got the 3 Subarus. About to attach this to the gimbal, so I won't be vlogging too much more, but yeah, we'll pick this camera up once we are done. Alright, ready? Start bouncing. Alrighty guys, so picking this up a few days later, actually a week later. I'm way late on catching up on this video. My excuse this time is, first, my kid, then me, then my wife. We all turn into, let's just say, a human water fountain for 24 hours. Long story short, we had a nasty stomach bug and we could not hold down any food and our stomachs were cramping hard and it was not fun at all. That was out of nowhere and rough, but we're back in business kind of. I'm still sore, but yeah. But yeah guys, after editing that video, I think that's definitely one of my favorite edits. Whew. That looked like a legit movie trailer, and that's what I was kind of going for when I was going with the editing. Because that video was like, when we first met up with my buddies, we had no clue what the fuck we were filming. Like, we was planning on going out to the mountains and doing, damn, I'm stuttering. We was planning on doing mountain back road shots, but we ended up going to this industrial park that we was passing anyways, and we're like, hey, my buddy Grant said, hey, let's just have the Crown Vic chase the Subarus around with the cop lights on. I'm like, that would be fun as hell. And yeah, and that's what we ended up doing, was filming at that one single location. We had other plans to go out at other places, but we just spent so much time there. And I love when ideas pop up like that, just random ideas that we go out and say, hey, let's film something. We don't know what the hell we're doing, but we're doing it. And that's exactly what we did, and it turned out awesome. Like, that's when videos turn out awesome, is when they're just unexpected like that. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. That's also kind of like a part of the rebranding of the channel is doing cinematics like that and filming people's cars. So if there's anybody in my local area that watches, please feel free to hit the comments or hit me up on Instagram. I'm down to film cars and not just my own, because my cars can get boring. Like, Reaper's down right now. I can't film her. There's not much I can do with her. Like, money-wise, I can't really bring her back right now. Quickly, anyways. Like I said, I'm planning on investigating the car and seeing what's wrong with it. If the engine is fine, I'm going to fix it pretty soon. But if the engine's toast, it's going to be a little bit. Yeah, I just want to go out there and film different cars. I want to film different things. I'm like, yeah, I love my cars. I love my wife's Crown Vic. I love filming these cars. But going out and filming something different like we did the other day, like a bunch of Subarus, that was fun. Like, I enjoy filming different stuff. It keeps it less bland. Like, it's going out and exploring different cars and different builds and filming them and catching them on the camera. It's fun as hell, and that's what I love doing. That's why I love cars and I love cameras, and it's just a great mix to have for two hobbies. But alrighty guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you really enjoyed that edit, I spent a couple hours editing that to make sure it was perfect. Please drop a fat thumbs up. And also, if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe, because this year has just only begun and there's going to be so much more cool content when warmer weather comes. So yeah, I'm ready for it. Alrighty guys, I will catch y'all in the next video.